The rule is you can only add a link if you have 1,000 followers, or if you're a business and the business is registered and you tell that to TikTok and they allow you to add a link for 3 months as a business owner, and that's that. However, there is a workaround that I want to teach you that you can use. It requires you to have a YouTube account. So if you are on your TikTok account, when you click on edit, you need to go and find 2 links. With TikTok, it allows you to add an Instagram link and a YouTube link. So you can use the YouTube link because this is the one that I'm teaching you. You're going to click on the YouTube ad. Then you'll just have to pick the account that you know that you opened the YouTube account at, and then link it to your TikTok. So you're going to click and choose from your Google account and link them. With my TikTok account, I would pick my Gmail account that has a YouTube, and I would click on continue, and then it thinks a little bit and then it adds your YouTube link over there. So every time somebody lands on your TikTok account, they are able to click on the link that you're referring them to. So your bio is important on what you say on your bio to refer your people to your YouTube link. Why am I sending them to my YouTube account? One is when somebody clicks on the link, it's going to show the blocker that it shows for everybody. It's not just you, just as a warning. And when somebody clicks on open, it will take them directly to the YouTube account. The most important thing is that the landing page of your YouTube account will have the link that will make people buy your product. So this is a workaround. First of all, you need to have a YouTube account, and then you need to have an offer that you're sending the people to. My advice is create that LinkedIn bio on your Canva account so that you can have a different offering and add it on your YouTube account. When people land on YouTube, the first link that they see is that link that you've shared. So educate your audience. When you're sending them to the YouTube account, don't hide these things. Educate them because they're going to love you with the content that you're creating. Therefore, they're going to want to support, or they would want to be supported themselves because your product is a solution to their problem. So when you are sharing your value information or your videos that are helping them, please educate them. Say to them that you're going to go through to YouTube. The first link that you find on YouTube is the link that's going to help you buy the book that I'm telling you about. So this is my book. When they click on here, it takes them directly to my Amazon book that I've created because this is my kiddies one, and then people can buy the book that way. It is a workaround. If you don't know how to create a YouTube account, let me show you real quick. But this is the workaround I want you to use for now. While I'm helping you grow your account to 1,000, then you don't need these workarounds. But in the meantime, from 30 to 1,000 can be very daunting. That's why we have this workaround. Let me show you how to create a YouTube account. Most of us are familiar with Gmail, and believe it or not, it's not a known fact that YouTube is owned by Gmail, or Google rather. So if you are on your Gmail account, because most are familiar with Gmail, all you need to do, you need to go to the menu option and you need to go to YouTube. So this is also applicable if you are creating it on your phone. You'll just need to go from your Gmail account, go to menu, and then find YouTube. Once you're there, find your icon for your name, and then you'll find that option that says create a channel. Then you are going to give your channel a name. I don't know, let's call this one an escort because he sells breakfast hampers. And then you just create channel. And it processes the creation of your channel. And voila, the channel is created is Escort Breakfast Hampers, which can be changed as time goes by. Then you can customize it. manage your videos, and you're now officially a creator. Bio or a Canva bio, then you must publish this as a website. So you're going to click on share, and then you're going to go to the three dots and you're going to go find where it says website. I've published mine already. It will not have the green if you do it the first time. So you're going to click on website and it will open up how the website is going to look like. Then you can click to have a look and see how it looks like. It's doing it again. Then you're going to then go at the bottom of the page to go publish. Real quick, if you wanted to create your own link in bio and you wanted a store that comes with the link in bio, I do have a product under my digital products. When you go to learnwithza.com and you select digital products, there is a create a site and an online store form that you could create for yourself. I'm going to teach you how to create this link in bio, and I give you templates as well as this online store that you could create for yourself. When you select buy now, it's going to show you the section where you can buy. When you click proceeds and you enter your details, if for some reason you get an error, just go to your cart and take the process from that way. Thank you so much for listening. Let's get back to the lesson. When you go publish, it's going to give you a URL that you're going to use. So because I already have a URL, I'm just going to click on it and then copy my URL, and then I can use this URL to load it on my YouTube account so that people can find me via the process I've just showed you. If you know how to make it smaller, you can use tinyurl.com. If you don't know how, just go to tinyurl to shorten it if you want to shorten it. But what I want to show you, you're going to go back to your YouTube account that you've just opened. And on your left hand side, you're going to scroll until you find customization. You click on customization and you scroll to go find where it says links. This section, this is where you're going to click on add a link, and then you're going to give a title to your link. So this one, we will call it a link in bio for Learn with Za. So whatever you want to call it, and then you paste that link you've just copied either from tinyurl.com or the one that you just got from Canva. And that's it. You just click on publish and then it gets published. You can go to channel or click where it says view channel, and then people are going to land on the link that you've just added. Every time you're on TikTok and you're sending people to YouTube, when they land here, the first thing they see is that link that you've added. Very important to teach your audience where to go to. Thank you for joining me on this lesson. I will see you with our next lesson.